Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Bodycam Watch. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a noise complaint outside a Florida apartment quickly turns into something much bigger once tensions rise face to face. According to investigators, a woman trying to prepare for a work call became frustrated by the constant beeping from a nearby garbage truck. But once she decides to confront the driver directly, the situation reportedly turns physical within moments, leading to a police response and a full body cam investigation. The breakdown starts now.
Hello, all right, who's involved? Who called? You called?
I called on this gentleman right
What's up, man?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Are you hurt?
No, not really.
Did you witness this?
No.
No? Anybody around? Just you and him? All right. So what's going on, man?
I live upstairs and I'm trying to work. I had a phone call coming and this noise just keeps going and going and going. So I just was on the balcony and I was like, excuse me, like, can you make that noise stop?
Look at the mindset here. She really expects someone out there doing their job to stop everything because her phone call's coming in. And you can already feel this turning into something bigger.
He wasn't in the vehicle, it wasn't moving or anything. Like, can you just make the noise stop? Like, I have to get on this phone call. People live up here. And he just dismissed me. So I came down and I was like, can you please make this noise stop? And he's like, get the out of here. And I'm like, oh, I'll get the out of here. So I come around to the side.
Now listen to how she explains this to officers, because in her mind, she feels completely justified in the way this started.
I didn't get in the vehicle, but it was slightly open, so I just stepped up and I shut it off one notch. He pulled me by my arm down, and he like held on to me really tight and like pulled me. And so I pushed him to get off of me, and then he punched me in the face.
Watch how confident she sounds explaining her side here. She thinks she's clearing everything up, not realizing deputies are already trying to take control of the situation with as little resistance as possible.
Okay. You have your ID or anything on you?
I can go get it upstairs.
All right.
Like that escalated
really quick.
extremely quick.
Can you go ahead and turn around for me really quick? I'm just going to detain you and put you in handcuffs, okay?
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Turn around, please.
Why? Is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke.
Even after being placed in cuffs, she still doesn't understand what's going on. Deputies are about to explain it.
I'm in handcuffs right now.
Because you're detained, I'm by myself, and you came from your house down here because of a noise from the garbage truck, and you pushed this gentleman, okay? Hold on, that's what you just told me. So I'm by myself. Hold on, I'm by myself, so I'm detaining you because I'm by myself, okay? We gotta cause a...
He's the one who punched me in the face.
Listen,
This doesn't make any sense.
All right, I asked you if you were hurt, and did you need medics? I don't see any injuries on you.
She still thinks she's the victim here. Deputies are about to make things a whole lot clearer for her.
But from what you just told me, okay, you went and entered his car, his work vehicle.
I just shut
turned
the
it
thing off.
Okay, can you shut the car off from the outside, ma'am?
I was standing on the thing and I pulled. Now I can't do anything, but I just shut it off. I didn't get in the vehicle. I just stepped on the thing and he grabbed me and pulled me down.
Okay,
and
I'll
so
be right
I pushed
back.
him
Okay,
off of me.
I'll be right back.
As one deputy goes to speak with the other party involved, the officer staying with her is about to make it clear that her sense of entitlement is what helped escalate this whole situation.
Yeah, the consequences of your actions, huh?
Is he gonna have any consequences?
He's protecting his truck. It's his property. Okay, well, he's finding that out. I just don't see what did you think was going to happen.
All I know is what happened was I shut off the truck and I go back in my house and get on my
What gives you that right? What gives you that right? I'm just curious what you think gives you the right.
At this point, even she's starting to realize how entitled this whole thing is sounding.
What gives you that right? I'm just curious what you think gives you the right.
I'm not an entitled person.
It sounds like it. It sounds a little bit like it.
Wow.
For you to reach into someone's truck, that's asinine, in my opinion. It's a crime.
I didn't even get in the truck. I didn't vandalize it. I shut it off.
Trespassing, at least.
I live here.
All right, now we're about to hear the truck driver's side of this whole situation, because up to this point, deputies have mainly been hearing her version of what happened.
I grabbed her,
Okay.
pulled her down, so you can pull the in the truck at all.
Okay.
And she hit her stuff in the mouth, and so you just punched me.
Okay.
Really, lady?
At any point did you hit her? Okay. So let me ask you this. Did she put any hands on you or did she touch you at all?
She pushed me.
She pushed you? How did she push you? In the chest?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt at all?
No.
Okay.
After finally hearing both sides of the story, deputies seem pretty confident in where this investigation's headed. And now they're moving forward with making the arrest official.
Alright, so ma'am, you're gonna be placed under arrest today for simple battery.
He hit me. Are you kidding me?
No ma'am.
He punched me in the face, and I'm the one that's going to jail. I've got my 2 dogs upstairs. I have to pee. I have to call work. This is insane to me right now, and nothing's happened to him. He's a grown man who punched a woman in the face.
Like I told you earlier, I still don't understand
hold
on a second. I don't understand why you think you have the right to go into someone else's property.
The situation ultimately ended with the woman being taken into custody following the investigation at the scene. After the arrest was completed, she was transported to the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department for processing. Moments like this show how quickly a routine disagreement can escalate once emotions take over and communication breaks down between both sides involved. How do you think deputies handled this situation once they arrived on scene? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.